Missing someone. With all your heart. Missing someone. With heart. How much you miss her. And you miss her. And you miss her.
Just feeding the animals, getting the chores done. Luckily today I've got my sisters here to help for the next couple weeks because it's summer. This is Cheyenne. Cheyenne, say hello. Hello.
Turn around and say hi, Shannon.
Hello. Mike likes to pick on her. Cass is in the back swimming with the kids. Well, just Braden and Presley. Brody is taking a nap. I can hear Mike hammering. Let's go check out, see what he's doing.
One, two.
The girls are also in the pool right now,
Whoa.
which I'm dying to get into. It's a very hot day today. Presley's learning to swim. She really learned last summer during beach week, but you know, every summer kids kind of have to relearn their skills.
Just trying to finish securing up the fence to the posts.
See all that old lattice? That was originally around our entire fence. We decided to put up this wire fencing instead of the lattice fencing. That way we could grow grapes on our fence, and that would also get rid of the need of us having to build a separate arbor and use up space somewhere else on the farm. Yesterday the girls helped me outside a little bit. There was like a bunch of toys and junk in through here that all needed to be cleaned up, like all around the pool, stuff that we had previously stored on the back porch that needed to be removed and taken out to the storage shed. So the girls and I got that job done. I've also been working on spray painting some of the chairs that we had from our old house. They were red, and so I've been spray painting them silver, like a hammered metallic spray paint. I'd like to try to use those in our kitchen instead of what we have, and I think they might work out better and kind of go better with our decor. There's always projects going on our homestead. I'm sure you guys are doing the same on yours.
Hey girls.
Cassie and Cheyenne have come to stay with us for a couple weeks this summer while they're on school break. Cassie is 17 and she actually has her learner's permit right now. But our father has been really busy taking care of our grandfather. He is near death, so our dad has been nursing him like 24/7. He does not leave his side. My grandfather actually moved into my father's house to be with him, so my dad wouldn't have to drive over to his place anymore to do the caring that he needed. So needless to say, Dad hasn't had much free time to teach Cass how to drive, and Mom does not drive. So as the big sister, this is my responsibility. We actually went driving the night before last for the first time, and that was completely different. I have an older daughter, she's almost 19 now, and when Mike and I were teaching her how to drive, it was awful.
Nightmare!
It was really bad. So we weren't looking forward to doing that again, but Cassie is very respectful of the rules on the road. She minds her speed. She's actually a little timid in life naturally, so on the road she's kind of the same way, and she was really scared to even go like above 25 miles an hour. So I told her tonight we'd go driving again. It's a lot better for her to learn to drive here on our empty roads and back roads rather than in Tampa. But I'll be sure she does get some drive time in the city too. I'll take you guys along for that adventure too.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way.
Okay, Cass and I are going for a drive, but we're gonna take the van instead today. We took the truck the other day and it was kind of big for her, I think. So here we go. Now in this one, the shifter is here instead of up here like it was in the truck. Now I left the key there. Alright, before we get going, adjust your mirrors. I'll do the air. My seatbelt too. Does the camera make you nervous? Alright, good.
Not back up this time, right?
Yeah, you don't need to back up, go straight. First, the lights don't come on automatically in this van. So right over there's lights, turn it all the way to the road. There you go. That's right.
What are the numbers?
What numbers?
It says 4, 3, 2.
Oh, you just want to be regular boarding.
Why is this wheel so weird? It feels like I'm not moving.
It's just a lot older than my truck is. every car, truck, van, all that drives a little differently. So that's why it would be a lot better to learn how to drive in your own car. So when you go to take your driver's test and all that, like, you're used to it and peanut field. Okay, we're gonna go to the right like we did yesterday. And I think this time we're gonna go all the way around town. Are you ready for it? I don't know. We'll find out.
Tune in next time.
Is the dog gonna run out in front of us this time?
Hopefully not.
Nearly killed Cassie of a heart attack. One of my only neighbors, way like right over there. They do not lock up their dogs, and one of them is like a beagle or a beagle mix, and it just runs out into the middle of the road, barks at people all the time. I nearly hit it once, and the night before last, Cassie nearly hit it, and she slammed on brakes, and I thought I was gonna die. Uh-oh, car.
Or is that like a normal?
That's probably about a normal speed. They might have been going a little fast, but we're only going about 10.
I don't want to hit the dog.
Yeah, that's the dog's
And there was
house there. There is a commercial industry chicken set up here. It's awful. Like every morning you can see the truck shoveling chickens in there, cramming them all in, and they go driving down the road and feathers fly out every which way. It's really bad. So one morning I actually saw them bring a truck like they do every morning, and they loaded it full of crates of chickens, live chickens, and then they blast them with like a firefighter's hose. And that's why we want to raise our own chickens nicely, give them a good life, and then eat them. Alright, see, the speed limit is about to drop to 35.
Missing someone